Hi guys, good morning. I just had a really good session in the gym, and today I was focusing mainly on the legs. And my gym is on the ground, you know, so when I have to get out, I have to walk the steps, and this is like the worst part. But overall, the workout was amazing, and I'm now heading back home. But today is actually a special day for me because it's my birthday, and this whole morning I've been on the calls with my family and with friends from back home, so yeah, that took quite a lot of time. But now in like 20 minutes I have a university meeting on Zoom which I have to join, and after that I'm planning to get a breakfast, and I was thinking about bagels, so that's like my little plan for the nearest future for this morning. Guys, the Times Square is just packed with people, and I'm here in New York for like a week, but I do get why people don't like passing through the Times Square. It's just so many people there. So guys, you know, I feel like everyone who's coming to New York has this list of places he wants to visit, or like cafes and restaurants, and of course I have my list as well, and it's been enough for all the years, and of course Apollo Bagels has been on the list, and this is why I chose this bagel place. It's my first bagel place in New York, and I've tried bagels before in Chicago, but these bagels that I'm having right now, they just stood out. Honestly, they're insanely good. Like, I swear guys, they're super good, and you have to try them in person because in words I cannot describe it to you. So now just plan to browse some shopping streets for a while because I've been looking for this coat, and in my mind it has to be warm, so like a wool coat, but it has to have like a long funnel. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. I visited Zara. I'm currently in Zara, but I feel like there is nothing like that. And on the other side of the road is other stores, so I'm gonna head there right now. I also probably should check Mango for that, or Coast. So yeah, I'll be here for a while, I think. So I'm at the different Zara location, and this is the kind of the coat I want. However, this one is not long, it's short, so that's why I'm not sure about it. But the funnel is perfect, like this is what I wanted. But it's not long enough. I don't know, I'm still thinking about it. Alright, I think I found a really good coat in Mango. It doesn't have a long funnel as I wanted, but I feel like it still looks really good. And also look how shaggy these glasses look. I think I'm gonna be getting them as well. Thanks. You too. guys, so I got my coat and I'm really happy because it's been a long time since I wanted such kind of a coat. So yeah, I think this was the one. So I'm back home and honestly I feel a bit tired after all this walking, browsing and decision making, especially decision making, but I'm glad I got that coat. I feel like it was just perfect and overall the day has been just going great. I mean, this time on my birthday I'm kind of like alone, but I'm definitely not lonely. For the most of the day I've been on the calls with my family, and for the rest of the day I've been just so busy and the day passed really quickly, but it was great. It was really cool. And what else? I mean, I could have been walking on those streets for more time. You can walk on New York streets for ages, I swear. Like, every time I go out, I get impressed so much. And it's just so nice to discover new places and new streets. But these days, I've been so busy. And I just wanted to have like a nice, calm night tonight. So, yeah, I just returned home to have some rest. I made myself like this like plate of veggies that I'm gonna have now with hummus and just have some rest watching Netflix, and then I do have some work to do on my computer. So that's my plan for this evening. So I should have received a package today as well, which said that was delivered to me in the morning. However, I didn't receive anything. So I'm probably gonna email them about this issue. So I will do that and then have my dinner and drink my evening tea, because no matter what, I have to drink my green tea in the late evening. I just love this day, guys. Just wanted to quickly share it with you. I had such a good talk in the morning with my family. I even managed my gym session today as well, apart from walking like 20,000 steps again today. And it was such a good breakfast in the Apollo Bagels. I then wanted to go to the Blank Street for coffee, but it was closed today for some reason, so I changed my mind to join the Juice, which was just as good. And yeah, I mean, it was so good, and now I'm having such a nice evening. Yes, it's just great. Just wanted to share it with you. Also was good, the weather today was perfect, like it was just right, a bit chilly and windy, but it was fine because a few days ago it was very cold and it was snowing, so it was a bit difficult to get around the city. However, I have been receiving these text messages about weather alerts, and I have been seeing on social media the news about upcoming severe like weather conditions and severe snowfall, which is actually a bit scary because there's so much going on about this and so many people are speaking about this, advising to like stay at home. And even my university just sent me an email saying that we might switch to the online teaching method on Monday and Tuesday. So yeah, at first I was just like, okay, another snowfall, it's gonna be such a wonderful snowy atmosphere in New York again. But now it's like one day left before the storm comes, so I'm getting nervous, guys. We'll see what happens. Hi guys, good morning. I'm actually that type of person who likes to assemble the breakfast myself. So I like when I have a lot of things around me on the table and in my plate. So that way I can like build up my own like toasts with like butter or avocado and some eggs, cheese, I mean like any types of spreads. So yeah, I'm that kind of person because I know some people like to have already like prepared sandwiches. I can eat that, but not on like a regular basis. So yeah, I'm having my breakfast now and probably just gonna watch something on YouTube. I also got this seasoning from Trader Joe's. It's everything bagel and it's actually a game changer. Like I really wanted to try it before because in Kazakhstan, in my home country, we don't have this type of seasoning, but it is really good. Okay, I'm now gonna have my breakfast. Just came to the gym, guys. Today I'm planning to do like a 50-minute run and then some stretching. So guys, I finished my workout, just came back home. I'm now actually waiting for my lift to come, and as soon as I get to my apartment, I'm just gonna start cooking lunch because it is time for lunch and I am getting hungry. So the lunch turned out perfect. I made myself this pasta with pesto sauce and shrimps as a source of protein. And on the side, I made myself this salad with arugula, tomato, some like Italian herbs, and balsamic vinegar. And this turned out like really delicious. So later that evening, I decided to also stock up on some groceries that I needed to get because, guys, the pressure was there, okay? Everyone in New York was preparing for the storm to come and the shelves of some stores were literally empty. Anyways, I went to my nearest Whole Foods for that, and honestly, I wouldn't say that this store was emptied. It was just the produce section that looked a bit rough. I mean, not as it usually looks like, perfectly laid out. And also the yogurt section, they just ran out of the Phage brand, but other than that, it was all normal. And also, let me mention the weather that evening, guys. It was freezing. I was super cold, even though I put lots of layers on. So I was just basically rushing home as fast as I could. So let's make a quick haul of the groceries that I got. I didn't actually plan to get a lot, so these are just like the basics and mostly for snacking. And also, guys, check out my new bag that I got from Trader Joe's recently. I feel like it looks very interesting, cool, and just unique. I don't know, I just really like it. So onto the groceries. I got this hummus, this time with the roasted red pepper. Then to go with that, I got this crackers and some baby carrots. This combo is like really addictive, guys. Then I have this plain yogurt for my yogurt bowls. I then really wanted to try something interesting, so I got this cheese, which I can have for breakfast and for snacks as well. The next one is the chicken broth. And last but not least is the package of eggs. So that's it, guys. As I said, it's like mostly for snacking, and the most important purchase here was eggs, I think. Hi guys, it's the next day and it is the storm day, and the snow has been falling since like the early morning, since like I would say like 4 or 5 a.m. in the morning, and it's like never ending. The amount of snow that is falling is just insane, and I'm sure that towards the end of the day it's just gonna get even more intense. I didn't really film anything this morning. I just had my breakfast and then I was just, catching up with the emails and all the stuff that I missed out throughout these days, like text messages and stuff. And also called my family, talked with them for quite some time. I'm now actually having my like midday snack. I went for the cereal. It's pretty good, I would say. I mean, I've tried better, but these ones are also great, especially because they're like less in sugar and have more protein. So that's good. And yeah, I think I'm gonna just stay in today because in such kind of weather, honestly guys, I don't really want to go out. And anyways, these days have been busy, so I do have a good reason to stay in today. However, I did have some plans to go out today with one of my friends, but because of this weather, we just decided to meet some other day, like at least a few days later, because it's gonna be hard to get around the city, like definitely. Actually, guys, I kind of lied to you and underestimated the taste and the quality of the cereal. It's actually pretty good. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna be ending this vlog now. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and please hit this like button because that would really help and that would really mean a lot to me. Thank you guys. See you in the next vlogs. Bye. I lied to you guys. Again, I actually couldn't handle staying in my apartment for the whole day, and I was just curious what's outside, so I did get out and got some fresh air in, as well as a good dose of happiness for what was happening, because it was an experience unlike any others, seeing that much snow in New York, so that was phenomenal. Thank you.